If you rely on your dashcam for evidence, you know that a standard unit simply won't cut it. When the moment matters most, you need crystal clarity, capturing every angle of the incident, front, rear, and inside the cabin. This Vantrue N4 Pro S system was built with professional use in mind, delivering a comprehensive surveillance package that far exceeds basic recording capabilities. I've tested dozens of dash cams over the years, and the problem is always the same: they only focus on one area, or they lose detail when the light drops. I remember being on a rainy highway, relying on a cheap camera, and the plate was just a smear of light and water. The clarity was non-existent. If you're a professional driver, or even just a daily commuter, you know that relying on single-angle footage leaves massive gaps in your evidence trail. You need coverage that works when the sun is blinding or when the streetlights are struggling to cut through the fog. What impressed me about the N4 Pro S was the sheer depth of its coverage. First, it uses triple Starvis 2, giving you simultaneous 4K front, 1080p inside, and 2.5K rear footage. But the real breakthrough is the plate pix technology combined with night vision 4.0. This delivers superior license plate recognition, even in extreme low light. Then there's the 2.5K rear camera, which is fantastic for capturing license plate details when pulling into a lot. For long-term security, the 24/7 parking mode keeps all three cameras active, monitoring for movement. The convenience of high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi means transferring footage is quick and easy, and the over-the-air updates keep the system current. Now, many premium brands charge over $300 for similar multi-channel systems, but this N4 Pro S unit is available for $109.97. It is a powerhouse of features, though I must mention that the initial setup process requires a little patience and reading through the manual. Picture this: it's a misty Tuesday morning, and you've just pulled over after a minor fender bender. The rain is hitting the windshield in sheets, and the streetlights cast deep shadows. You quickly pull up the footage, and the crisp 4K video shows the full sequence: the impact, the license plate, and even the conversation that followed. Every detail is preserved, giving you exactly what you need to file a claim. It's truly reassuring. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.